This is Affordable Quality Automotive, bringing some new content to you as we grow together. This is video 2 of a 4-part label series. This video will be going over the safety compliance certification label, which is located in the driver's side door jamb, which you can see here. On this label, you can find the VIN number, which is the vehicle identification number. We will discuss further in detail in a future video, the VIN number. In the top right corner of this label, you can find the manufacturer date. This vehicle was manufactured in October 2016. Some manufacturers, if the vehicle is manufactured after June or July, some after August or September, the assigned year for the vehicle will be the next calendar year. That is the case for this vehicle. It was manufactured in October 2016. The assigned year is 2017. All right, on this label, you have the GVWR as the gross vehicle weight rating. This is the max total vehicle weight of a single vehicle while fully loaded. The GVWR for this vehicle is 4,200 pounds. This includes passengers, cargo, fuel, and the curb weight of the vehicle. This is the vehicle when it's unloaded. That's the drivetrain, engine, transmission, axles, tires, chassis, body, seats, everything in the vehicle without passengers, cargo, and fuel. So that's all of that combined is safely is 4,200 pounds. That's GVWR for this vehicle. You also have the GAWR, which is the gross axle weight rating. This is the maximum weight that a single axle can safely support. On this vehicle, you have two axles. You have the front, which is rated at 2,249 pounds, and you have the rear, which is 2,006 pounds. Two total combined should roughly equal the GVWR. It's very important to understand, to remember, do not exceed the GVWR while hauling inside the vehicle and trunk. Just anything over the two axles. Towing is going to be completely different. If you exceed that weight, you run the risk of excessive wear on your transmission, your engine, tires, and also other mechanical components. Your curb weight of this vehicle is 3,170. That's unloaded, and the GVWR is 4,200 pounds. That gives you a difference of 1,030. So that's all you have to work with to load this vehicle up with. That's basically 200-pound people in this vehicle, and that's pretty much all you can support safely. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.